Hi and welcome back. I'm George Pierce, and this video is about my weekly giveaway. Each week I give away an internet marketing gift, and this week it's about solo ads, and it's 100% free. There is no email required, and it's solo ads for risk takers, and it does include resale rights. What resale rights means to you is that you can not only can you use it for your own personal use, your own personal benefit, you can also use it as a giveaway, as an incentive. You can use it to build a list. You can use it, you can even resell it if you want to and keep the money. Included with this giveaway, you're going to receive an ebook. You're going to receive an e-covers. You're also going to receive an opt-in page. An opt-in page, all you got to do is customize it. You're going to get a privacy policy. You're going to get terms and conditions. You're going to get a thank you page. There's also a disclaimer that comes with this, including, again, the resale rights. The link to this download page you'll find at the end of the video. I do want to share a quick story with you about a parrot named Oscar. And the reason why I'm going to share this story with you is because most internet marketers, most affiliate marketers, most marketers in general kind of do things wrong. And this was a mistake that I made for a good year and a half, and I want to make sure that you're aware of it. So let me tell you a little bit about Oscar. Oscar is a parrot, and he's sitting in this pet shop window, and Marcia, who's an elderly lady, walks by and just falls in love with Oscar. Just has to go in and purchase Oscar and a little cage to take him home with. Marcia doesn't have a whole lot of money. She is on Social Security, but she's justifying this purchase because she's getting older. She doesn't have as many friends anymore. She doesn't talk to that many people anymore. Doesn't get out that much anymore. So this is a good way for her to have somebody to talk to, so to speak. So that's how she justifies it. And before she even gets out of the store, she's already named him. And as you already know, his name is Oscar. Well, she takes him home, and all the rest of the day and that evening, she's talking to Oscar, and Oscar doesn't say a word. So she goes back to the pet store the next morning because she's a little bit concerned because he didn't say anything. And the pet owner says, well, you know what, he may be a little bit lonely. Let's, parrots sometimes get lonely. He might need a mirror. So she buys a little mirror for Oscar, brings it home. Now he's looking in the mirror. She's still talking to him the rest of the day and that evening. But Oscar just never says a word. Next morning, Marcia's back at the pet store, Oscar's still not talking. Probably needs some exercise. How about a little ladder for Oscar so that he can get some exercise? So she buys a little ladder for Oscar, and the rest of the day Oscar's running up and down the ladder, looking in the mirror, seems to be having a good old time, but Marcia's talking to him, but still not a word. Back again the next morning, Oscar still hasn't said a word. Maybe he's just not having enough fun. What he might need is a swing. So Marcia gets him a little swing, so now he's running up and down the ladder, swinging on a swing, looking at himself in the mirror. She's talking to him the rest of the day, the rest of the evening, and he still doesn't say a word. Once again, the next morning, Marcia's at the pet store. But this time, things are a little bit different. She explained that less than 20 minutes ago, Oscar had almost fainted, virtually fell down his ladder and almost staggering around like he was drunk at the bottom of his cage. So did he say anything? Asked the shop owner. He did, said Marcia, and that's why I'm here. But what did he say? Oscar said, don't they sell food at that place? I hope you enjoyed that story, but the reason why I'm sharing that story is that a lot of times we focus on affiliates. And when it comes to affiliate marketing, that would seem logical, right? We're looking at affiliates. That's not right, however. That's wrong. That's dead wrong. We want to focus on buyers. We want to find buyers. That's part of my teaching. It's a little bit different, but it's very important because once you start focusing on the buyers, you actually have moved yourself, you've positioned yourself a whole lot closer to the money. And what you're going to see next is a link to the download page. Again, it's a free download page, and again, it's a free download. If you like this video, and I hope you do, give us a big old thumbs up. Do that right now, and while you're at it, hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed, and ring the bell. That way you're going to get notified when these videos get published. I do want to thank you for watching. I appreciate it, and I appreciate you. Allow me to wish you much success.